Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart English Official, the channel where learning English becomes simple, natural, and super fun.
I'm Lema, and I'm so happy to see you all again.
Hi, Lema, and hello to all our amazing viewers. I'm James, and I'm excited because today's lesson is going to be very practical.
Oh, really? What are we learning today?
Well, I was walking to the studio and passed by a cafe, and suddenly I felt so hungry.
Ha 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 ha. Hungry before the lesson even starts.
Completely? I kept thinking about sandwiches, soup, pizza, everything.
James, now you're making me hungry too. But wait, I think this actually gives us a great topic for today's lesson.
Exactly my thought. Today, we're learning English conversation at a cafe or restaurant.
A perfect real-life topic. Very useful for travelers, students, and anyone wanting to speak confident English.
Entering the restaurant. Before we start, everyone, don't forget to subscribe to Smart English Official and like this video if you enjoy learning English with us.
Yes, and share it with your friends. You help our channel grow every time you share.
All right, Lema, let's begin. I walk into a restaurant. What is the first thing I should say?
You smile, greet the host or waiter, and say a simple hello or hi.
Easy enough. Then I need a table, right?
Exactly. So you say, a table for two, please. Or, a table for one, please.
Got it, if it's just me. A table for one, please.
Perfect. The waiter will usually say, this way, please, and guide you to your seat.
Asking for the menu. Okay, I sit down. What's next?
Before food, you need the menu.
Right. So I say, can I have the menu, please?
Very polite. Always remember, please. It works like magic in restaurants.
Understanding the menu. Menus have many sections: starters, main dishes, desserts, drinks.
Yes. Starters equals small dishes. Main dish equals the main meal. Dessert equals sweet food. Drinks equals beverages.
I love desserts. Chocolate cake is my weakness.
Same here.
Ordering your food. So the waiter arrives and says, "Are you ready to order?"
You can reply, yes, I am. Yes, please. Or, just a minute, please, if you need more time.
Very useful. Now, to order politely, I say, "I would like," or "I'll have."
Exactly. For example, I would like the vegetable soup. Or, I'll have the grilled chicken.
Asking for drinks. And for drinks, same structure. "I would like a juice, please."
Perfect.
During the meal. Sometimes the waiter comes back to ask, "Is everything okay?"
And you respond, yes, it's great. Yes, it's delicious. Everything is perfect, thank you.
Asking for more items. If I want more water.
You raise your hand slightly and say, excuse me, can I have some more water, please?
So polite and simple. Dessert time.
After the meal, the waiter may ask, would you like to see the dessert menu?
And I almost always say, "Oh, yes, please."
Asking for the bill. Now, the important part, paying. You say, excuse me, can I have the bill, please? Or, the check, please.
Bill equals UK. Check equals US. But both are correct everywhere. Leaving the restaurant.
When you leave, be polite. Thank you. Goodbye.
Absolutely. Politeness is the heart of every good conversation. Mini role play. Fast review.
Hello. Welcome to the restaurant.
Hello. A table for two, please.
This way, please. Here is your menu.
Thank you. I would like the soup and a lemonade, please.
Great choice. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. It's delicious.
Would you like dessert?
Yes, chocolate cake, please.
Of course. Anything else?
No, thank you. Can I have the bill, please?
Here you go.
Thank you. Goodbye.
That was fun. And now you all know how to order food in English confidently.
Yes. And we hope this lesson helps you the next time you visit a restaurant.
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video.
And tell us in the comments, what is your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
We can't wait to read your answers.
Keep practicing and keep smiling.
Goodbye, everyone.